Hello, my name is Athene Shetty. I'm working with Harish Mukapati, Michael Moser, and Michael Gorman, and we're presenting our idea tech pitch for OSU Hackathon 2024. So the problem is that over 71,000 startups have emerged in 2023 in the United States alone, a nearly 100% increase over the past 3 years. Globally, only about 10% continue to operate beyond the first year, and this is mainly due to challenges like funding, market fit issues, and competitive pressures.
Our goal here was to kind of help users and startups redefine their pitch and help them improve their code base and their idea through evaluation using several AI models. Used a lot of different things here. Mainly the back end was built with Fast API in Python, and the front end was a React application with Next.js. So the code quality evaluation has a few parameters, mainly the architecture, how well it adheres to common coding standards, how secure it is, how documented it is, and how well tested it is. It uses a Sonar Cube and Sonar Cloud API, Codacy API, and OpenAI API.
And then we have the presentation score, and we use AI to assess presentation content and speaker performance. This is through GPT's 4.0 image detection and GPT's Whisper.
For the novelty score, there are two different subscores. Firstly, the project ideas compared to different online articles from Google, and this allows us to compute a novelty score based on how novel the idea is compared to these results from Google. And also, there's another score, which is the GitHub score, where we compare the README file in the GitHub repo that is provided to other README files in GitHub. And then another novelty score is computed based on how unique the content of the README file is.
So, like I mentioned earlier, we use Fast API on the back end. There was pretty much one main route here at startup/submit, and this basically returns an aggregate JSON payload with each category score, like the novelty, code, presentation, and then a quick summary explaining this score for the front end to help present to the user. It also uses a singleton instance of our startup class, which inherits all of the category classes just for better API performance.
So we wish to expand our application to accept more files. An example of this would be using CAD files that are basically prototypes of a startup's product. We also wish to utilize more advanced grading algorithms to increase our accuracy for the different scores that we provide to the user, and also customization for what exact feedback that the user wants.
So right here, we're actually going through a demo of our product.